have a number of tips and tricks for packing. 1. You need to pack for your mental health. I think this is the most important and one that I don't see very frequently when looking at Facebook or other online forums around MIQ. For me, packing for my mental health meant making sure that I had my fan for some airflow, my oils and a diffuser to keep me calm, some colouring in books, and my journal. We also packed for living in just one room with no people contact. Whilst this list is similar and could be considered a mental health list, this one is slightly different. This included a couple of packets of coffee and our favourite coffee press, our Sonos speaker so we could have some good sounds, a Grail water press to ensure that our water we were able to drink was free from chlorine and any other pesky contaminants. It also meant we had an ongoing supply of good clean water. I bought some protein bars for myself. I made sure that I had my eye wheat pack, an eye mask, because in the morning when my husband had to work, I would be able to still lie in bed, sleeping, preferably, enjoying my holiday. We also bought a power board each. I think this is key. We have so many devices that need to be plugged in, and it was good to make sure that we were able to keep our own individual devices plugged in. Other things depending on where you stay. These items might include an HDMI cable for the TV. We didn't need it. We didn't use the TV the entire time we were there, but I see that this is a big one on the Facebooks. Also a sharp knife. You get lots of fruit. This is a bonus, but you definitely want a sharp knife sometimes to cut some of the fruit up. And also cutlery. We also bought some basic condiments when we arrived. We bought some olive oil for our salads, some salt and pepper, some plates, and a bowl. We also bought some wine glasses. Technically, this isn't required, but there's only so long I can drink my wine in a tumbler before I go a little bit stir crazy.